Meaning of expiate.
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 Expiate. The verb expiate means to atone for one's wrongdoing or guilt through some kind of punishment or self-sacrifice. It involves acknowledging responsibility for one's actions and making amends in order to make up for the harm caused. The result of expiation is a sense of moral and emotional cleansing, a feeling of having made things right and achieved some measure of redemption. By expiating their sins or mistakes, individuals seek to restore balance to their relationships with others and with the wider world, and to move forward from past wrongs towards a more positive future.